the month of Ramadan is so important, is so valuable, is so significant, is so precious that Rasulullah would make dua for that month before it even came. Rasulullah would ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to allow him and the ummah to survive enough to live up to the month of Ramadan, so they can enter into the month of Ramadan. Rasulullah would ask for the month of Ramadan to be a month of mercy, to be a month of forgiveness for them even before it came, or even before they entered into that month of Ramadan. That is how important the month of Ramadan was to Rasulullah. And if something was important to Rasulullah, it only means that it should be important to us as well. So this is an important month. We need to prepare for it. It's the month that we need to start preparing from. Rajab. Rajab is the month where we start preparing. It is the beautiful example for it, and that's what I've shared in the video. And I've always explained this over the years, but this time somebody has done a beautiful job. May Allah give that person a lot of jazai khair. They took this hadith and they actually, animated it. So now you get to see it. Pictures is better than 1,000 words. Now you get to see that the month of Ramadan is for sowing the seed. The month of Shaban is for harvesting or cultivating your harvest, and the month of Ramadan is enjoying the fruits. That's what we are. But this month, this time around, I want to take a slightly different approach to the way we have been preparing before. I want us to focus on what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had highlighted as the purpose of Ramadan. Right? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had said that Ramadan had been ordained for us. There's a purpose for which the Ramadan had been ordained. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyam kama kutiba alal lazina min qablikum. That Ramadan had been ordained for you as it was ordained for people before you. La'allakum tattaqun. The bottom line that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had defined for the purpose of Ramadan was taqwa. And this taqwa is an extremely, extremely important matter.